Marian Regional Medical Center is ringing its bells every day at noon to thank all the employees on the front lines. Hurrahs for Heroes was recently launched as a daily act meant to recognize all essential employees. That includes healthcare workers, restaurant staff, grocery store employees, and others working during this critical time.
We plan to do this every day, and we've asked our community to join in with us at noon every day to chime the bells or bang the pots and recognize our caregivers and all of our food service workers and everyone around the community that's helping to keep us safe and keep us healthy.
Local churches are also ringing their bells at noon. Hospital leaders say they are thankful for the community support, and they're encouraging people to continue social distancing and to wear masks.